Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how to change a neck on this fan. Right, so this is the fan. The thing with this neck, right, it break out. Right, you can see open. Right, so this is the crack one. This is the replacement. Alright, so first thing, make sure it unplug. Alright, now take out the back cover. One screw that hold on the back cover. Remove the one screw that hold on the back cover. Now remove the screw that hold the neck. Remove the screw that rotates the fan. Alright, so this is the bad one. As you can see, it crack open. This is the replacement. Screw it up tight. Store back the screw that rotates the fan. Turn back the back cover. Store back the screw on the back cover. Right. And there you have it. Now you know how to change a broken neck on a fan. As always, thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all repairs.